In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the climate control module on the Mazda 3. This module sits right below the radio and controls your heating, cooling, and fan speed. First, make sure the parking brake is pulled. Open the center console lid and remove the trim piece by pulling straight up. Next, shift the gear selector down to give yourself more clearance, and then remove the trim bezel around the gear shifter. This piece also pulls straight up. Once you remove that, it will expose 2 Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove both of those screws. In this case, I only have 1 screw. Carefully pop up the trim piece that runs above the radio and pull it out. Be careful with the right-hand side. It has a small plastic hook that you don't want to break. With that trim piece removed, you now have access to the 2 Phillips screws holding the radio in place. Then remove those screws. With the 2 screws already removed from the ashtray, pull it out gently and unplug the 2 connectors from the back, and set that aside. I only unplugged these top 2 connectors. With the radio moved aside, you can now see the climate control module. It's held in place by 2 Phillips screws at the bottom. Remove those screws. Set it to the side, being careful not to strain the wiring. As you turn the control knobs, you'll notice they turn plastic levers connected to S-shaped metal rods. Each rod is held in place by a half-moon metal keeper. Using needle nose pliers, carefully remove those keepers. To unhook the S-shaped rods, tilt the radio slightly out of the way and slide the rods free from their slots in the plastic. Once both rods are disconnected, flip the module over and unplug the 2 electrical connectors. At this point, the old module is free. Take your new climate control module, flip it over, and reconnect the 2 wiring connectors. Tilt the unit to hook the S-shaped rods back into the small slots on the plastic levers. Slide the protective plastic sleeves on the rods as far as they will go. Then reinstall the half-moon metal keepers over the plastic tabs to lock the rods in place. Now, reinstall the radio by sliding it back in place and securing it with the 2 Phillips screws. Reinstall the long trim piece above the radio by pressing it back into place. Now, reinstall the 2 Phillips head screws at the bottom of the climate control module to secure it. Next, reconnect both plugs that go to the 12-volt plug. Slide it back in and secure it with its 2 screws. Reinstall the center console shifter trim bezel by pressing it down until it clicks. And finally, reinstall the center console trim by snapping it back into place. Once everything is reassembled, test out each knob on the new climate control module. Make sure the fan speeds, temperature adjustment, and vent controls are all working properly. In my case, everything worked perfectly and the problem was completely solved. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like this.